What's going on, everyone? Hambinomon World here with another video of some One Punch Man. And there's a couple I pulled off camera. I wanted to show y'all some nice hits. Well, yeah, it's like a double hit we got, and then an alternative art to that same card, it looks like. And then you see this, we're not opening this guy. I bought this the other day, went to the, I think it's called Coffer, C-O-F-F-E-R, excuse me, shop, Reno, Nevada. Shout out to them, great place to go, prices are great. They sell games also, retros, Funko Pops. They do game nights there, Monday through, I think, Saturday. And yeah, it's a great store. I was there chatting it up with the owners of it. Cool. Prices are good on the boxes, like I was saying. And no, I didn't buy up everything. These are packs I bought the other day. I found at Walmart. Well, first time seeing them. No Pokemon because of the distributor selling on that platform. Oh, is this not open? No. On the Walmart platform we all know about. Crazy stuff. Like I said on one of my videos, I've it's been probably since October since I've seen any Pokemon at the Walmart's by me, man. It's been crazy. So we got, I think it's 12 packs here. This, like I said, is gonna go in the collection. Stay in the collection. I gotta get boxes of they had boxes of Bleach. No Hunter x Hunter, but they had Star Wars. They had God, what other ones? Just a bunch of stuff. White Swords, all kinds of White Swords. He might have had one of the Marvel's White Swords there too. So here's a couple of ones I got off camera. And you see, I think I pulled this one the other day, or maybe both of them. But both secret rares, but different arts. And then like that one mega one, man. Look at that one. That's that star with the high rise on the gold and everything. Sweet card. So let's put those off to the side. And let's start. I'll leave these up here like that. And let's get to it. Let's start ripping. Oh, and then these guys are really hard to rip sometimes like that. So you'll know if they are fake, if they open up too easy. I don't know. So we might just have a couple rares, maybe a secret rare, but excuse me. Let's go through them. We've gone through a few of these packs already, so we're just gonna go right through. Yep, everyone knows anime with the women. Right? Nothing fails. Well, who wouldn't want to like it? Feel me? Alright, here we go. First one. Ooh. I haven't seen that rare. Maybe I have. Maybe once. And, ooh, a nice second time with that one. Put those with the other rares that I got in the packs there. But yeah, he had Bleach, they had Jujutsu Kaisen. Yeah, see how that plastic is? Pretty tough, man. Kinda like it. Oh yeah, we got either secret rare or, yeah, because that looks like, if it has the borders, yeah, if it has the borders, then it's just a secret rare. And then you can see without borders, it's the star rare. All right. Yeah. Let's go through them. Zombie Man. Ooh, Zombie Man. That might be a nice card if they have a. If he has a secret rare or something. Maybe him in like zombie form, munching. Like I said, I've never seen it before. Sure, he got some kind of power. Blood sucking power. Let's see. Alright, and and it is. Look at that. Secret rare. Satima. Or Satima, right? I believe so. Look at that. That's why I kept opening packs. I was trying to look for his secret rare, and look at that. Look at there. Man, that is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Look at that, man. That's crazy. I knew I was going to hit him. Out of all these rest of those packs there, man. That's awesome. We'll keep him on top. I'll have to get a little card shower to do all the hits like they do on like the sports cards. I know some of the PokeTubers out there, or yeah, they all got little stands. I don't. I'll have to invest in some stands. I think I might have one, but it's a card holder for cards. Ooh, I got a nice action point. That's what's up. I haven't got one yet from them. And there's 6. Hunter x Hunter, Bleach, and Jujutsu Kaisen. I've been hitting a few of the counters. Oh, let's move the rare out the way. Alright. Let's see what we get. Let's toss those up. Oh, I got them on the other side. Go right there. I'll move them over just a little bit. Alright. Super S. Dominatrix S. Watchdog Man. Always gotta have a dog and man together, huh? Ain't gonna fail. First rare. Nope. Nice. And the action point. Hey, of the heroes. That is what's up. And I pulled his secret rare. It's nice. And his. That's what's up. Bang, bang. We'll keep that there. If we pull any more, let's go to the other side. Let's see. Some more hits, man. Like I said, we've been getting nice hits after nice hit. And it looks like it's going to be another secret rare. Look at that edge. Compared to the rare. Anything outside the frame. Bad. Let's get it. Yeah, we'll go through these. I was thinking it'd be a long video, but I don't think it will. Alright, first rare. Atomic Samurai. Alright, well, let's read it. Choose up to one character with 2,000 or less BP on your opponent's front line and sideline. If 6 or more other hero infinity cards are on your field, 4,000 or less BP instead. Yeah, like I said, I don't know how to play the game, so that's cool. All right, ready? Bam, Metal Bat. And I don't know if that's just his name, Metal Bat. It'd be kind of plain, just Metal Bat, but we pulled this one before. Nice card. Well, you know, we'll just go like that. We'll switch it up. We'll just put all the best card. Well, I think Satsuma card is going to be the best card out of all of them. He's the main guy, so Well, we got 8 left. Let's see. Hopefully I can pull his star card. Let's go. Let's get that star card, man. And holy. Oh, that's something. I don't know if that's him or not, but maybe it's the other guy. Maybe his star card. I forget his name. But oh man, that looks sweet. Let's see what we get, man. Terrible Tornado. Monster Association. Hellish Blizzard. Tank Top Monster. Or Monster. Ha! Master. Tank Top Masters. Oh, yeah. Phoenix Man and not a man. Ooh, Terrible Tornado. Ooh, and it might be that dude star. Yo, no, he got metal hands. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but that's that star, man. Here we go. 2, 1. Bang! Ooh, now I got her. Hellish Blizzard. Man, look at that card. That is sweet. 1 punt, and then on the side, the name. Oh, I didn't see his name on that one. That's crazy. That's the same thing. That's the store. Oh, Atomic Summer in the back. I see. Haha. Man, these are sweet cards. Look at that. Store. Yeah, I know you can't really see it, but it's that one says a L or U star. I don't know why it's a U star. Thought it was an R star because that one says an R star. So I don't. That's not a trick. Well, all the cards you have triggers except for this one. So I wonder what that means. Well, gotta do my research. Haven't done my research that good. Sorry about that, folks. You know, a new YouTuber, or just, should I say, new channel, not YouTuber. I wouldn't call myself a YouTuber. I think got less than showing single-digit subscribers. Oh, man. So, thank y'all for those 9 subscribers. Appreciate y'all, bro. I'll have to see. Okay, just some rares or secret rare. But we'll see if it's anything. Let's see if I can. I haven't opened up. I got some. We could do a Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Z. A Dragon Ball Super Box Showdown or something. And no, not yet. Because I haven't been on here that long. So let's go through this real quick. There's King in a rare and another rare. Nothing. Uh-oh, where'd my rares go? There's my rares. I'll put them all together. I'll throw the rares up there. So, there goes those rares there. All right, let's keep it going. Not too many left. Got stuck on that one, that U star, which is crazy. So, another rare, secret rare. So, let's see what we pull. That's a nice rare card. Nice image they use. It'd be nice secret rare with her standing there too, and just with the hair all out. I don't know if they have it in the anime. Ooh, Silver Fang again with the with the banger. I think I already got 2 of his too already. But that was I was hoping for. Now I just need his star because I think I got his star also. Alright. 5 more to go. Let's see where we get his. Or even another star. Ooh, another action point. I'll take that. I wonder if it's gonna be just some, because we got the heroes. So we'll see what we have. Drive 9. Ooh, hero. That must be him. Yeah, that looks like his hair. Look, oh yeah, that does look like him. So here we go. Ooh, a rare Saitama. If I'm saying that, probably not. I'll look it up. And oh, another hero action point. That is cool. That's the first rare Saitama. First rare, the main hero. I'm just gonna keep it simple and say that. Our second action point. Let's go. We need a star. We need a star card. Those are the big hits right there, man. I'm wondering, I haven't looked up anyone else. It looks like just rares or something. Maybe secret rare, but I haven't watched any videos on these. Maybe some on Jujutsu Kaisen, but yeah, what? So that wasn't that card. I guess that's not him, because his, okay. So, here we go. Speed of Sound, Sonic, and no King, secret rare. Man, I'm wondering if I pulled his too, because it looks familiar, him standing there. I might have. So, nice hit. 3 more packs. Let's go. Ooh, no, just a rare. So we'll go through them a little faster with a couple more to go. Oh, no. Since I said I only got 1, here's more. Oh. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more chances to hit his star card and another rare. Another rare, maybe. Maybe a secret rare. Another alternative art of his card. Yep. All right. 1 more. 1 more. Alright, oh, we might have a secret rare. I want it to be that Drive Night because it kind of looks like that. So, Top Tank Master. And nope. Just hell. So, man, we didn't get it, but we got the we got one of his cards. That's all that matters. Some other hits. Even though it's not the star card, I think it's the hit of the day, man. That's the main character, main hero. And then my 2 action point cards. Sick. Are the heroes. And then the one I pulled off camera. Like I said, this has a R star to it. And then this one has a U star to it, but you can see this it has a trigger, and this is just no trigger to it. So, all right. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all. Guys, have a great day. Peace out.